YouTube, what's up? This your boy Mr. Blackhorn back with another video, and today we are going to be installing the FitcamX dash cam. So it's a 4K dash cam. You guys saw the unboxing that I did, so let's just get right into it. Let's get our box of goodies here. We got the different pieces that we need. Dash cam itself, that's what a camera is. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. And I'm gonna I'll sit that over here. Extended piece and pry tool. So guys, the first step is to, we wanna remove this piece. This is the piece that we're going to be replacing with the dash cam. And so this is the factory piece on. And again, I have a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn. So what you want to do is you want to come in here. There's two clips on each side, and you want to pull them out in that direction. So we're going to squeeze this middle part here, and hopefully it comes off pretty easy. It's kind of loose. That one's loose. There we go. So these are these two clips. They hold on each end, and actually see where this one is. Looks like this one is broken. I didn't just break that. This has been taken off before by someone else that was installing some stuff for me. So maybe that's why it was so loose. But anyway, we got a full replacement, two brand new stock clips that comes with that. So no big deal. So we're gonna get that piece out of the way. And from there, this should just come right off. There we go. You just kind of have to finesse it. It feels weird. Felt like it was gonna, let's see, that's one side rather. There we go, man. All right. So took a little work, just a little bit. But anyway, don't be scared of it. You know, this is the factory piece. So, all right. So once we get all of that off, the goal is now, drop that in there. The goal is now to, we want to disconnect this piece right here, right? And we have the wiring harness that comes with the dash cam. And so what we're going to do is disconnect this piece here. And again, we want to make sure that we're very careful. There's a little clip here. You just push that clip up and then slide it back, and it comes out easy peasy. All right. And then you want to plug this in here like so. And then you're going to take this piece, right? This piece is going to slide into the other piece. Just like that. And voila, you have successfully connected your adapter to you successfully connected your adapter in order for you to use your dash cam. So now you'll see this piece here, right? And this is the adapter. So we're going to line these up and get these plugged in. There we go. It has a little arrow on it that tells you where to line everything up at. Push it on there until it snaps into place. And then there you go. So we got that all connected now. And The goal is to get this all back kind of tucked away. Want to make sure it's out of the way. Get it all, I'll say, trying to tuck it away as best as you can there. So I'll push this up here. There we go. There we go, folks. All right, so we got that installed, and whew, it's on there pretty good. Think about as good as it's gonna get, and then the other piece is gonna kind of clamp it into place. So that's this place here. I mean, this piece here. So we're going to actually bring it down and around here. Bring that in. Clip these. Right into place there. There we go. That's perfect. That extension piece really locks it into place because it goes up into a little bit up into your I forget what this is called, but it goes up in there and kind of locks everything into place. So it's pretty solid once you get that done. The on and off buttons are under here, and then we have the SD card slot right here. So it's a mini SD, so it pops in and pops out very easy. And that is all to it, folks. It is a plug and play. So what we're gonna do now is we will get some footage of it, take a drive. Now before we get the footage, there is an app that you have to download, and you're able to see video and kind of control some things, some features from the app. So let's take a look at that next. So we have the app here, and it's FitcamX, right? So you go to your Play Store or you know, whichever phone that you're using. So now here I had to go to, you know, let it know to go to the location setting, turn that on, and then after you go from the location setting, go back to the app, and it should pick up fine. One of the things that I didn't mention or didn't show is me connecting to the Wi-Fi, which is the LHD underscore JMD 7053. That's kind of how it showed up on mine. But if you look at the instructions, it'll say it's going to either show up as car something or LHD something. So on mine, it showed up as LHD. So you go in, you connect to that because the cam emits its own Wi-Fi signal. And so when you connect to that LHD, then you're going to put in the password, and the password is literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you join, and boom, you'll be connected, and it will bring you to what you see now. So these are the settings that we're going through, and this is just me kind of going through some settings, looking at some things, turning some of the settings on, looking at the camera megapixels, and you know, they had it set at 12 megapixels for default. There's a resolution. You can see where it's set and see how it can be adjusted as well. It's just, this thing is just really cool. A lot of pretty cool things to go through on the setup. So now here we are, actually taking our first drive with the Dashcam, and let me tell you, I am super impressed with this thing. I mean, visibility is amazing, great resolution. I mean, I'm actually pretty shocked by how good of a resolution this is and how clear the picture is. Of course, you can definitely record audio. I was surprised by that as well when, you know, if you remember me going through the settings, I did choose to turn the audio on. And so just the fact that this dash cam can record audio is just pretty amazing. But yeah, this is me just kind of driving around, first drive with the cam connected and everything. So really great product. The FitCam, great job, guys. Great job. If you guys are interested, if you see this video and you're interested in purchasing your own FitCam, I have a coupon code here, Blackhorn8. So when you're placing your order, matter of fact, just go to this website, and then when you're placing your order, you can use this coupon code Blackhorn8 to get a discount, on your cam. Regardless of what kind of vehicle you have, they make these for all, for a lot of different types of vehicles. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Take advantage of the coupon code, and I'm going to keep bringing you guys more cool gadgets to use in your vehicles. This is Mr. Blackhorn signing out. Peace.